Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace struts on a Dodge Journey. First, gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a spring compressor. Make sure you have your new struts and any necessary hardware ready. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level surface and engaging the parking brake before you begin any work. Once the vehicle is safely supported, remove the wheel. Next, carefully disconnect the brake line and the ABS sensor wire from the old strut assembly. These are usually held by clips. Then, you will unbolt the strut from the steering knuckle at the bottom and the upper mount bolts located under the hood. This will allow you to remove the entire old strut assembly. Now, using a spring compressor, carefully transfer the coil spring from the old strut to the new one. Once assembled, guide the new strut into the upper mount under the hood and secure it with the nuts. Then, align the bottom of the strut with the steering knuckle and reinsert the bolts. Reconnect the brake line and ABS sensor, ensuring all connections are secure. Before lowering the vehicle, ensure all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for safety and proper function. Reinstall the wheel, then carefully lower your Dodge Journey back to the ground. It is crucial to get a professional wheel alignment done as soon as possible after replacing your struts. This ensures proper handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.